This is your 10-minute energetic Pilates routine. We're gonna start on all fours, and I want you to be at the back of your mat, okay? So you're gonna come onto hands and knees, and then just come back a little bit so that you're on your heels, and we're gonna walk out to a plank, and then walk back in. So this routine is one that I incorporate quite a bit. If, let's say I want to warm up before, maybe I'm lifting some weights. If I only have a few minutes after I've gotten the baby down for a nap and I kind of want to wake up, but I want to work all my muscles and have some fun, this is one that I go to. So this warm up right here, kind of with this bear crawl, is getting all your muscles going, getting your blood flowing. So do whatever variation of everything is best for you. This will be more into an intermediate routine for sure. Okay, come out to a plank. Stay here. Right leg lifts and lower. Lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. You can almost think of this routine as giving you a little bit of cardio. Like we're gonna get the heart rate up more than we would in our traditional routines. Last one. Nice job. Take the hips up and back and walk it out. Nice job. And then both heels down and come forward into your plank. I want you to bring the left knee in and back out, right knee in and out. Okay, so we're gonna go nice and slow here to start. And if you wanna speed it up, you can. So you're gonna pull and pull. Pull, pull. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Hips up and back. One more time. And then knees come down. Nice job. We're gonna stay on hands and knees though, because getting a really good arm workout while we're at it, right? Right leg reaches back, lift it up, up, and down. So this should leave you feeling energized, feeling worked even in a short amount of time. And last one, lift and hold pulse. 8, 7, 6, reach the leg long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. Reach and lower. So just because we're doing things a little bit faster and more of a flow to get that energy going doesn't mean I want you to rush through things. Slow it down if you need to. Make sure you're organizing your body, checking your form, taking breaks when you need. Okay, last 2 and 1 and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Come in. Curl your toes underneath you and lift up into another of our down dog positions, but it's a shorter one than usual because all you're going to do is bend your knees, come back down and hover and straighten up again. So bend, hover, straighten, heels down. So heels lift and you bend, straighten, heels down. Just a few more like that because this is nice and juicy for your joints too. Really good for your toes and your feet and your hips. Last one, come down and hover and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, knees down. And sweep your legs around in front of you. Have the legs together. Sit up nice and tall. Bring your hands behind your head. Inhale, rotate to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. So kind of giving ourselves a little internal organ massage with this one, which will help your energy too, as we squeeze some lymphatic fluid through our body. One more each side. Nice job. Arms in front. Reach forward, lift back up. Reach forward, reach, 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 reach. Restack, Last one. Restack. And then exhale, curl and roll yourself down. One vertebrae at a time. Take your time. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, arms up. And roll all the way up. So remember my tip. If you have a hard time rolling up, completely fine, completely normal. Take a hand towel, roll it up lengthwise. And then place it across your mat so it fills the space in your low back. So not lengthwise up and down your spine, but across. Right in your low back, wherever you tend to have trouble coming up, and it's gonna help a lot. It gives your back, like if you have space in your low back, it just gives it something to press against when you come up. Super helpful. Okay, this is our last one. We're gonna roll down and stay there. All the way down. Arms reach back. Bring them down to your sides. Bend your knees. Inhale. Exhale, let's curl and roll up into a bridge. We're just gonna do a couple because on this one, we're adding things to the top, okay? So you're gonna roll back down. Inhale, exhale, roll back up. And stay here. So I want you now to keep a flat back, and you're gonna lower down halfway, lift, lower, lift. So I find when I kind of need some energy, I will add different things like this to a shorter workout sometimes, like some pulsing or playing with the timing, kind of hovering, that kind of thing. So that's why you're getting the benefit of it today, because it's what I like to do. It just changes it up, makes our body work differently. 4, 3, 2, 1, curl, roll all the way down. Hug the right knee in, straighten the left leg out, roll yourself up, reach the right leg straight, pull it in just as much as you can, stretch, 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 and then bend, reach it out, lower down. Other side, so we're gonna bend it in. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Crunch up. Straighten the leg. This is gonna look different for everybody. See if you can walk higher to stretch. And then bend it. Lower down as you reach it long. Nice job. Bend both knees. Again, one more set of bridging. Inhale. Exhale, curl. Roll yourself up. Now, you can go back to the version before, lower and lift, or bring the right leg to tabletop. Straighten it up. We just stretched preparing for this, didn't we? Lower, lift, lower, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got it. Bend in. Slowly roll down. Hug both knees in. Roll yourself up. Find tabletop. Arms are long. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big inhale and big exhale. Traditional 100. We're just doing a part of it though, because this breathing is really going to help with your energy. Okay, that's really the purpose of it, is for circulation. Last set. Nice job. Hug your knees in. Roll back down. And I'm going to have you roll onto your stomach. Okay, so to counter that 100 we just did, let's bring the arms in front. Legs reach back. Lift your head, your chest, arms, and legs, and we're gonna swim. You're still 100 breathing, so we're gonna inhale, exhale. All that means is long inhales, long exhales. It's okay if you lose count and lose track. I do too. Last one. Nice job. Rest down. Have your legs mat distance apart. Hands underneath your shoulders. Press your head, chest, belly up. Nice job. Look over your right shoulder. Center, left shoulder, center, and then slowly pull that belly in just to control the movement. Come back. You have a wide knee, child's pose here. Walk your hands to the right, crossing the left hand over for a stretch. Take it the other way. Come back to center. And then slowly roll yourself back up. An awesome job. I'll see you soon.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.